everybody? We're here again with the GroundHog KH14G. Everybody wanted to see how these jackhammers worked. This jackhammer is a $11.95 jackhammer. Again, if you've never priced jackhammers, that's about a quarter of what a Bobcat's going to run. And we're going to see what this thing does to 10 inches of concrete. Now, I'm not going to try to go through the center of 10 inches of concrete. If you've never run a jackhammer, that takes about a 5-ton machine. But I am going to put it in close to the edges. We're going to see if it breaks it. We're going to see how it does with the little 1-ton unit. And then after that, I'm going to show you guys, this weighs about 700 pounds. Everybody wants to see the pushing capacity of a 1-ton unit. I'm going to show you the pushing capacity as soon as I get down the jackhammer. Let's get to work here and see what it does. I don't know about you guys, but I'm actually pretty impressed. Again, if you've never tried to jackhammer concrete, for it to break the edge of reinforced 10-inch concrete, it takes some power, it takes some force, and we broke a corner off in a matter of, what, 15 seconds? If anybody's interested in the GroundHog KH14G, it's Hackenberg Equipment Sales. The phone number is 570-765-9338. We're happy to answer any questions. Again, we can also get you bigger machines. We can get you diesel machines. We're very versatile in what our line is here. It's about a 60-day time if you want to special order one. And I'll see you guys next video. Thank you.